Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Freedom Rider back at you after a little bit of a hiatus. Actually, the reason why I had the hiatus was I was sick. Yes, I was sick. But that is not the purpose of the video today. Today, the purpose of the video is to show you the loop, the infamous, well, I shouldn't say infamous, the famous loop. Famous loop ride here in Ormond Beach. I came up here this morning from about 100 miles away in order to show you this loop. This is a very famous ride. And during Daytona Bike Week, there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of bikes on this road that we're about to go on. It is about to get good, and we're going to stop several times and do some pans and some pics and try to capture as much of this for you as possible so that you can say you experienced the loop in Daytona Beach, Florida. I've been wanting to come up and show you guys this loop, and in fact I did come up once, but I did not put on the GoPro while I was riding. So as you can see, you got the intercoastal is on the right hand side here, and we're going to be going up along the intercoastal, and to the right is Ormond Beach by the sea, and on the other side of that strip of land to the right is the Atlantic Ocean. But as I say, during Bike Week, you ride this route. This is a true destination point during Bike Week for lots and lots of people, and there is literally hundreds of bikes riding this route during Bike Week. It's really quite something to see. But just a quick shout out to Payne's Rides. Mike, thanks for doing the video the other day, riding with the fellas. Thanks for your contribution. All right, here we go, guys. We're starting to get into it now. I actually pulled over up in this direction up here a while back when I came up with Bill, but it wasn't really a good place to pull over. We pulled over on the right here, maybe 300 or 400 yards up, and from here to try to capture some of this, but it just wasn't really a good place to pull over, and the traffic was intense. So I tried to get out onto the road and capture this tunnel effect here, but I couldn't do it really effectively, so I didn't put the video up. I said to hell with it. It's not something that they're going to want to see. So here I am, back again with the full face on and the GoPro going, and we're on the famous loop, Ormond by the sea, Ormond Beach by the sea, the famous loop ride, Ormond Beach, Florida, April 3rd or 4th of 2018. And here we are. just poking along, enjoying life, living life, loving life. And yes indeed, I'm getting into State Park entrance up here. Tomoka Outpost is right there on the right. And as we progress on up further, I may just come to an abrupt stop. And if I see something worthwhile, I may just come to an abrupt stop and get off the bike. You know, like this. This is good stuff right here. But look at that. Look at these guys out on the canoes. But see, it's all dirt here. I don't want to pull in there. It's just not worth it. It's too much work. And it kind of defeats the purpose of having a GoPro running too, to be quite honest, but except you can get still photos. But this is all mangrove kind of area in here. Once again, during bike week on this road, hundreds and hundreds of bikes just almost chained together riding this route. Great place for the ladies to come, and great place for couples. Gorgeous couples ride. Very romantic. Very, very scenic. And after you ride this ride with your honey bunny, she'll be in seventh heaven. I highly recommend you guys come down and do this ride. Or better put, I highly recommend you guys do this ride if you come down to Florida. It's worth it. Very romantic ride for couples. It's a lovely ride for two-up riding. And even on the hottest day of the year, it'll be relatively cool because you got a lot of overhang here on this road. A lot of marshland. A lot of palm trees, a lot of pine trees. It's just lovely. See how nice this is here? Check this out. I hope you guys are seeing this. Ormond Beach by the Sea, the famous loop ride, L-O-O-P, the loop at Ormond Beach by the Sea. This is it, folks. This is the ride that you want to come on if you get a chance to come down to Florida. Bring your honey bunny. Your honey bunny will be hugging you and squeezing you and giving you all kinds of kisses. Good stuff.